I have no pride. When I die by means of prayer, when I bury every temptation under a cloud of forgetting, when I annihilate every provocation by the invocation of Jesus. I have no greed. When I strip myself of all attachments by means of prayer, when I surrender everything I have to the annihilation of contemplation, when I am lost to this world and I live only for eternity. I have no lust. When my body is crucified by the horror of sin, when I discover the joy of hating this world, when I loathe all the things of this world as to discover the happiness possessed by the angels and saints. The one who has discovered the stillness of contemplation will understand these words. The one who walks the path of a knowing will find joy within them. I have no wrath. When I realize my own wickedness and the evil I have done, when I contemplate God's mercy and bury my hatred therein, when I let the chaos of hatred crucify me and expire on the cross as I exclaim, "Into your hands I commend my spirit." I have no envy. When I consider the mystery of God's grace and election, when I rest in what I have been given and seek nothing more, when I look only to my garden and my salvation and comparisons under a cloud of forgetting. The one who understands these things holds every thought captive. The one who meditates on these things day and night is vigilant, sober, and alert. I have no gluttony. When I rejoice in suffering and mortify my desires and passions, when I train myself in the contempt for this world, when I die to pleasure so as to seek the stillness of the Holy Spirit. I have no sloth. When I embrace discomfort and pray to share in the sufferings of Christ, when I delight in penance and mortification, when I rejoice in discipline and the things of the Holy Spirit. Understand these things and you will have a garden within. Learn to embrace these things in the light of the Holy Spirit and you will find great stillness and peace.